In this video, you'll learn how to use Zoho Meeting. Whether you're hosting a quick catch-up with your team or running a more formal presentation, I'll walk you through the basic features you need to feel confident using the platform. Let's start with getting into Zoho Meeting. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Meeting website. On the home page, look for the option to log in. Sign in using your Zoho account credentials. If you're already using other Zoho apps, you'll be able to use the same account here. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see options to start or schedule meetings. Now, let's look at how to start or schedule a meeting. If you want to begin a meeting right away, find the Start Meeting or similar button, usually located prominently on the dashboard. Clicking this will open an instant meeting room where you are the host. This is ideal for quick discussions or when you don't need to plan ahead. If you're organizing something in advance, you'll want to schedule a meeting instead. Look for the Schedule option. When you select it, Zoho Meeting will ask for some basic details. Give your meeting a title, choose the date and time, and set the expected duration. You may also see options to add a description or adjust settings like whether participants can join before the host. Once everything looks good, confirm to schedule the meeting. The platform will then generate a meeting link and details that you can share. Next, let's talk about inviting participants. After you've started an instant meeting or scheduled one, you'll need to share access with others. For instant meetings, you'll typically see an invite option inside the meeting window, often labeled Invite or Participants. Clicking that will show you the meeting link and dial-in details if available. You can copy the link and paste it into an email, a chat message, or any other communication tool you're using. For scheduled meetings, Zoho Meeting usually provides an option to send invitations directly via email from within the platform. You can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, and Zoho Meeting will send them all the information they need, including the date, time, and join link. You can also add the meeting to your calendar so it's easy to keep track. Once your meeting is running and participants are joining, it's time to use the in-meeting controls. Along the bottom or top of the meeting window, you'll see icons for common actions. The microphone icon lets you mute or unmute yourself. It's a good habit to stay muted when you're not speaking, especially in larger meetings, to reduce background noise. You'll also find a chat option that opens a text chat panel. This is useful for sharing quick links, asking questions without interrupting the speaker, or communicating with participants who have audio issues. To present your screen, use the share screen control. When you click it, Zoho Meeting will usually ask whether you want to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose the one that makes sense for what you're presenting and confirm. Remember to close any sensitive or unrelated windows before you share. Finally, there's the record option. If you need a copy of the session, click the record button at the start of the meeting or when you're ready. Let participants know that the meeting is being recorded. When you stop the recording or end the meeting, Zoho Meeting will process the file so you can access it later. And that's it. You've logged in, started or scheduled a meeting, invited participants, and used key controls like mute, chat, screen sharing, and recording. With these basics, you're ready to run effective meetings in Zoho Meeting.